It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming mirrors, external memory control, active grille shutters, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, professional grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive. Thank you for viewing this vehicle. Stop in and see us today. Thompson Buick GMC Cadillac is conveniently located on Wake Forest Road next to Costco, just inside the Beltline.